I just think the hardest thing, just because it's so oversaturated, and like you meet people all the time that are like trying to do the same thing as you, I've learned that, not seeing everyone as competition is like the biggest lesson that you can like learn every day. You want to always be supporting your friends and your peers, and you're not gonna succeed if you see them always as competition in your life. So, I've started gratitude journals, whether that's like writing something every morning that like, I'm grateful for me personally or my friends, and that really helps me to like not focus on what I'm not doing, and it helps me focus on things that I'm really proud about, things I'm proud of my friends for, things I'm looking forward to doing with those friends. So that's been like a big thing in the last year and a half. That's really helped me grow as an artist, instead of like being down on myself if like I'm hitting a roadblock or, hitting like lack of creativity for a day or whatever. So I think that's been the biggest lesson.